Hello students, exercise 1.1, question number 7, the second point. So what is the problem given? A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C is equal to the set of all even prime number. So we have to verify A cross of B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. So this only we have to verify that. Now let's verify. So first we have to listing the elements of A, B and C. So first elements of A are the set of all natural numbers. You know the natural numbers? The natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. These are the natural numbers. In this, the natural numbers, we have to write only less than 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7 we have to write. So elements of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. Because here there is less than 8 condition. Okay, next. B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. You know the prime numbers? The prime numbers are, the number is divisible by 1 and itself. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. These are the prime numbers. In these prime numbers, we have to write less than 8. So we have to write 2 to 7. These are only the prime numbers less than 7. Okay, so the elements are 2, 3, 5, 7. Next, finally, the set of all even prime numbers. So prime numbers are even numbers set. Only 2 only is the prime number, also even numbers. There is C is equal to set of all elements 2. So these are the elements of set A, B and C. Okay. Now let's verify the given condition. So first we have to take the LHS left hand side. In LHS we have to write the B minus because we have to finally separate the within the bracket. So bracket equal the first find out pannilla. So now first we have to find B difference C is equal to. So write the elements of B. What are the elements of B? The elements of B are 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference. The elements of C. The elements of C are only 2. You know already very well about B difference C. It is nothing but the elements belongs to B does not belongs to C. The elements belongs to B but does not belongs to C. So B il element edana C il irundhuta vittunna remaining element edunappo 2 is here also 2 appo 2 renduthillume irukku appo you have to leave the 2 then write the remaining elements. Therefore 3, 5, 7 because 2 is already in the B set. B difference C means the elements belongs to B but does not belongs to C. So B elements edana C irundha vittu remaining element edum, that is B difference C. Okay, next let's find the A cross of B difference C. Therefore A cross of B difference C is equal to, first write the elements of A. So what are the elements of A? 1 to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross. The elements of B difference C are 3, 5, 7. So these are the elements of B difference C. Okay, now let's write the Cartesian product for A cross of B minus C. Okay, now let's write. So first one is, can write here because there is no place. Now 1 comma 3 first with the element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So first la ஒரு element எடுத்து second la இருக்கிற எல்லா elements கூடயும் second set இருக்கிற எல்லா elements கூடயும் multiply பண்ண போறீங்க. Now let's multiply. So 1 comma 3, next 1 comma 5, next 1 comma 7, next 1 comma 3 finish, 1 comma 3 finish, 1 comma 5 finish, 1 comma 7. Next second element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 5 comma 2 comma 7. Okay, the next one 3, that means third element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So first 3 comma 3 comma 3 comma 5 comma 3 comma 5 is then 3 comma 7. Next 4 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 4 comma 7. So next 5. So 4 எடுத்து element பண்ணாச்சு. Next 5. So 5 comma 3 comma 5 comma 5 comma 5 comma 7. Next 6 comma 3 comma 6 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Next 7 comma 3 comma 7 comma 5 comma 7 comma 7. So it is Cartesian product of A cross of B minus C, that is B difference C. So take it as equation 1. So left hand side over, then we have to find the right hand side. RHS we have to find. So now let's find. So in RHS first we have to find A cross B. So now A cross B is equal to, first listing the elements of A. So what are the elements of A? 1 to 7. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 cross the elements of B. The elements of B are 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. So these are the elements of B. So we have to find A cross B. So we have written A cross B as it is the elements of A and B. We have to write here. So now make the Cartesian product. So now let's write. So 1 with all the elements in the second set. So first 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5 comma 1 comma 7. Next 2 comma 3. Next 2 comma, first 2 comma 2, sorry, 2 comma 2. Next 2 comma 3. Next 2 comma 5. Next 2 comma 7. Next 3 with all the elements in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So first 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2, then 3 comma 3, next 3 comma 5, next 3 comma 7. Next 4 with all the elements. So 4 comma 2, then 4 comma 3, then 4 comma 5 comma 4 comma 7. Sorry, 4 comma 5 is written. So 4 comma 5, then 4 comma 7. Next 5 with all the elements of second set. So 5 comma 2 comma 5 comma 3 comma 5 comma 5 comma 5 comma 7. Next 6 with all the elements of second set. So 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3 comma 6 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Next 7 with all the elements of the second set. So 7 comma 2 comma 7 comma 3 comma 7 comma 5 comma 7 comma 7. So these are the order pairs of A cross B, that is Cartesian product of A cross B. Now we have found the A cross B. Next we have to find A cross C. So now let's find A cross C is equal to, first write the elements of A. What are the elements of A? 1 to 7. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 cross the elements of C. What are the elements of C? Only 2. So we have to write 2 as it is. Next we can make the Cartesian product of A cross C. Okay, now we have to make the Cartesian product 1 with 2, 2 with 2, 3 with 3, likewise. So first 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5 comma 2 comma 6 comma 2 comma 7 comma 2. So these are the order pairs of A cross C, that is Cartesian product of A cross C. So finally we have to find the RHS, that is A cross B difference A cross C. So now let's find A cross B difference A cross C. So this only we have to find now. So what is meant by A cross B difference A cross C? That is nothing but the elements belongs to A cross B but does not belongs to A cross C. So A cross B இருக்கிற எந்தெந்த ஆர்டர்லாம் A cross C ல இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் விட்டு ரிமைனிங் இருக்க எலிமெண்ட் நம்ம இங்க ரைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Now let us check. So A cross B with A cross C. So A cross B கூட A cross C ய கம்பேர் பண்ண போறோம். Now let's compare. So okay, now first start with 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is here. So 1 comma 2 அப்போ A cross B ல இருக்கு, A cross C க்கு விட்டணும். No need to write. Next 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3. Next 1 comma 5 இருக்கா இல்ல? No. So 1 comma 5. Next 1 comma 7 இருக்கா இல்ல? So right, we can write 1 comma 7 comma then 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2. Next 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 2 also is here. So no need to write the 2 comma 2. We can cancel it. 2 comma 2 in the both. So no need to write the 2 comma 2. Next. So 2 comma 2 is in both sets. Next 2 comma 3. We can write. So 2 comma 3. Next 2 comma 5. There is no 2 comma 5. We can write. So 2 comma 5. Next 2 comma 5. Then 2 comma 7 இருக்கா இல்ல? We can write 2 comma 7. Next 3 comma 2 இருக்கா? இருக்கு. அப்போ no need to write. Leave it the 3 comma 2. Next 3 comma 3 இருக்கா இல்ல? எழுதலாம். So 3 comma 3. Next 3 comma 5 இல்ல எழுதலாம். 3 comma 5. Next 3 comma 7 இல்ல எழுதலாம். So 3 comma 7. Next 4 comma 2 இருக்கு. So no need to write. Leave it the 4 comma 2. Next 4 comma 3 இருக்கா இல்ல? We can write. So 4 comma 3. Then 4 comma 5. So 4 comma 5 we can write. Next 4 comma 7. Next 5 comma 2 already is here. So in both sets. So 5 comma 2 is cancelled. Next what's remaining? 5 comma 3. So 5 comma 3. Next 5 comma 5 இருக்கா இல்ல எழுதலாம். So 5 comma 5. Next 5 comma 7. So 5 comma 7. Next 6 comma 2 is here, so no need to write the 6 comma 2, we can cancel it. 6 comma 2. Now what's remaining? 6 comma 3, so 6 comma 3. Next 6 comma 5 irukka illa ezhudalam, so 6 comma 5. Next 6 comma 7 comma, next 7 comma 2, so 7 comma 2 irukka, already irukka, appo ezhudana erase pannidalam. So 7 comma 2 is in the A cross B and A cross C set ரெண்டுத்துலயுமே இருக்கு. அப்போ இந்த 7 comma 2 we can cancel it. So 7 comma 2 where is, so 7 comma 2 cancel. So what's remaining? Next 7 comma 3, so 7 comma 3. Next 7 comma 5. Next 7 comma 7. Finally 7 comma 7. So these are the order pairs of A cross B, difference A cross C. So take it as equation 2. That is the RHS of the problem. So now we have to compare it from equation 1 and 2. ரெண்டு equation compare பண்ண போறோம். So equal இருக்கான்னு check பண்ணிக்கலாம். So from equation 1 and 2. So let's check. First 1 comma 3 is here. 1 comma 3 இருக்கு. Next 1 comma 5 இருக்கு. 1 comma 7 இருக்கு. 2 comma 3 இருக்கு. 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5 தோ இருக்கு. இதுலயும் தோ இருக்கு. அப்புறம் 3 comma 7, 3 comma 7, 4 comma 3 இருக்கு. 4 comma 3, 4 comma 7 அதுலயும் இருக்கு. 5 comma 3, 4 comma 7 க்கு அப்புறம் 5, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 3 தோ இருக்கு. 4 comma 7, 4 comma 5 எல்லாமே இருக்கு. Then 4 comma 3 இருக்கா? So 4 comma 3 இது தோ இருக்கு, எழுதியாச்சு. Okay, then 5 comma 3, then 5 comma 5. So 5 comma 5, 5 comma 5 before வந்து 5 comma 3 இருக்கு. 5 comma 7, so இதுலயும் 5 comma 7 இருக்கு. 6 comma 3 அதுல இருக்கு, இதுலயும் இருக்கு. 6 comma 5 இருக்கு. 6 comma 7 இருக்கு. 7 comma 3 இருக்கு. 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. அப்போ all the elements of A cross of B difference is equal to all the elements of A cross B difference A cross. அப்போ A cross B of B minus C இருக்கிற எல்லா ஆர்டர் பேர்ஸும் A cross B difference A cross C ஓட order pairsல இருக்கு. So அப்போ both are equal. So from equation 1 and 2, what is that? A cross of B difference is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. So hence verified. Okay, thank you children.